Most people get this wrong. They think store cards like the TJX Rewards credit card are only for impulse buyers, but when used wisely, it can offer solid rewards and savings for frequent TJX shoppers. Here's how it works. The TJX Rewards credit card, which works at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, and Sierra, lets you earn 5 points for every $1 spent at these stores and 1 point per $1 on other purchases. Points can be redeemed for reward certificates, and cardholders get exclusive access to sales and special offers. There's no annual fee, which makes it low risk if you stick to responsible usage. Tips to maximize the TJX Store card. 1. Use the card at TJX-owned stores to maximize points earning. 2. Redeem points strategically for gift cards or certificates for extra value. 3. Pay in full each month to avoid interest and keep the rewards pure. Who should consider this card? Regular shoppers at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, or Sierra who want to earn rewards and get access to exclusive deals. In conclusion, the TJX Store card is more than just a store card. It's a way to turn everyday shopping into rewards and savings. If this review helped, subscribe for more credit card insights and tips. Shop smart, pay on time, and make your TJX experience even more rewarding.